Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. If you can act one-sided, that is also not perfectly. Supposing you can manufacture still more, bigger. I don't think at the modern age they have manufactured the biggest. We get information from Bhagavatam, Kardam Muni, the father of Kapil, he manufactured a plane, a big city with lakes, with gardens, with big houses, street, and the whole city was flying all over the universe. And Kardamani showed to his wife all the planets. All the planets. He was a big yogi, and his wife, Devavati, was Vaivasvata Manu's daughter, very big king's daughter. So Kardamani wanted to marry, desired. So immediately Vaivasvata Manu, his daughter Devavati, she also said, "My dear father, I want to marry that sage." So she brought the daughter, said, "Here is my daughter, you accept her as your wife." So she was king's daughter, very opulent, but coming to her husband, she had to serve so much that she became lean and thin, not sufficient food and working day and night. So Kardamani became little compassionate that this woman has come to me, she is king's daughter, and in my protection she is not getting any comfort. So I shall give her some comfort. She asked wife, how will be comfortable? So woman's nature is a good house, good food, good dress, and good children, and good husband. This is woman's ambition. So he proved himself that the best husband she has got. So she first of all gave her all opulences, big house, maid servants, opulence, and then this aeroplane was manufactured by him, yogic process. Kardamuni, he was a human being. If he could perform such wonderful thing by yogic process, and Krishna is the Yogeshwara, the master of the all yogic mystic power. Krishna is addressed in the Bhagavad Gita as Yogeshwara. Little mystic power when we get, we become so big, important man. And now he is the master of all yogic mystic power. Jatha Yogeshwara Hari. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said that wherever Yogeshwara Hari, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the master of all mystic power, is there, and where there is Dhanudhara Arjuna, Partha, everything is there. Everything is there. So we should remember this, that if you can keep yourself always in company with Krishna, then all perfection is there. Yatha Yogeshwara Hari. All perfection is there. And Krishna has agreed, especially in this age, Nama Rupe Kuli Kale Krishna Avatar. Krishna has incarnated in this age as the holy name. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that, my dear Lord, you are so kind that you are giving me your association in the form of your holy name. Nam Namakari Bahula Nija Sattva Shakti Tatrarpita Niyamita Smaranena Kala. And this holy name can be chanted in any situation. There is no hard and fast rule. You can chant Hare Krishna anywhere. Just like these children, they also chant, they also dance. It is not at all difficult. While walking, just like our students, they take the beads, they are walking on the sea beach, still chanting. Where is the loss? But the gain is so great that we are associating with Krishna personally. The gain is so much. If you feel very much proud, if you are associating personally with President Nixon, how much proud you feel with President Nixon? So, will you not feel very much proud if you are associating the Supreme Nixon? Who can create millions of Nixon? So this is our opportunity. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Etadrisi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi. My dear Lord, you are so kind upon me that you are giving your association always, constantly. You are prepared, you are giving Duddhaiva idrishama vihajani anuraga. But I am so unfortunate, I am not taking advantage of it. Duddhaiva, misfortune. Our this Krishna consciousness movement is simply requesting people chant Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.